Hello to you all. I hope everybody's doing good today. So into today's video, I'll be showing you how I installed this wig I made myself. And if you want to see how I installed it and looking this good, please continue to watch. Thank you. So now I am applying the Kiss Almighty Bond Glue. So I applied it in layer, and then I'll be moving my comb forward as like so. So I'm moving the comb forward and dry it out a little bit. And then after that, I'm going to apply again a second layer on top of it because I am intending to keep it on for a few days. And I'm just going to do the same thing I did before, and then after it dried out completely, and then I'm going to, not completely but kinda, and then I'll lay my wig. So I'm going to do the same thing on the sides. I'm using alcohol to wipe off all the excess glue. So before I can go ahead and apply a little bit of Got2b glue, spray glue. So I'm doing that because I just want the edges to stay stronger. It's like an optional, you can do it, you can also not do it, but I always do it because I feel like when I do it, and then the hair will stay in place for a long time.
Hell you say now you him choose in 1 month, in 1 week, you will sing a new song in 2 days, lesser than you will hear. Congratulations, you're in the glory of God. Congratulations, he has done it for you, and you will come back with a new song to sing. God is good. Yes, you will come again with a new song of praise. God is good. Oh, congratulations.
At this point, you can use a mousse if you have it, but I used the Got2b spray glue, and I also used the mousse. You can use only one, like mousse. Usually people use mousse, but I use both. So I just want my edges and everything to stay in place and not to move. So that's why I use mousse, and I also use Got2b spray. But you can only just use mousse, and I think you'll be fine. So that's that. This is how I installed the wig, and it's late at night. I'm going to go to sleep, so I'm going to leave it like this over the night, and then I will come back the next day to remove it and show you how it looks. And for the hair, I did not do any curly or anything like that, because when I was making the wig, I was able to put a lot of mousse on it, and the mousse gave it that beautiful shape you see, or beautiful little kind of curly. So yeah, and this is the next day, the hair looking so good and so beautiful. I love it, and this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope we'll see you on my next video. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. May God bless you. Bye bye.
You will come back with a new song to sing, my God.